Hi viewers, this is KMS Shailaja Rani giving the one word answers for the MDC Core 1 Unit 5 for the Physical Sciences Sem 1. Here the first question is illustrate the term for the part which will do the arithmetic logic operations. The answer for this were CPU or Central Processing Unit. The next question is illustrate the term for the global network which is interconnected computer system. Interconnected computer system means internet. And come to the third question. Identify and write the type of network used in small organizations. Small organizations network is LAN or a local area network. What is the meaning of cryptography? Cryptography is nothing but the hidden writing. So answer is hidden writing. And next, fifth question is illustrate the term for the method of reverting the encrypted text which is known as ciphertext to its original form, that is the plain text. So answer for this is decryption. Sixth question is which software or software device is used to prohibit unauthorized access to your computer via the internet? That is nothing but the firewall. Next question is the illustrate the term for the device which can store, retrieve and manipulate data. This one is called the computer. And next question is what is the short form for Internet Service Provider? Short form is ISP. And ninth question is what type of network that links across metropolitan region and national boundaries? WAN or wide area network is the answer for this. What was the International Computer Security Day was celebrated? It is 30th November. Thank you. Happy e-learning. Thank you very much.